Hey y'all, it's Nicole again. I'm coming in with a haul video. I wanted to come in and tell you also, because I try to keep y'all informed, that there are a few sales going on that you guys might want to check out. One, I know on Instagram I usually post this. Dillard's is having their 40% off the clearance sale this weekend, and I want to say it started today and it goes through Sunday. So that's a great way to get like designer handbags and things like that that are marked on clearance or marked down for clearance, and then you get an additional 40% off of whatever they're marked. So if you're in the market for stuff like that, or clothes or whatever, check out Dillard's, and I do believe it started today. Then Dollar General has 50% off of certain colored dot tagged items. I think it's a purple dot and I want to say orange, but some of the items are considered fall and winter, but it actually looks like spring items. It may have been old items or something that they had, but it looks like spring stuff to me, but it may not be for this spring season. But anyway, my Dollar General's had some really nice stuff that you could probably incorporate into your spring decor. So check out Dollar General. And where else did I get? Oh, Walmart has a nice little clearance thing going too. I got some, and I'll be showing you this. I got some really nice makeup and nail polish and things like that on clearance. So check out Walmart. I always want to come in because, you know, I feel like I'm the clearance queen, honey. But anyway, check them out and you may be able to pick up some stuff. I'm trying to think if there's anything else. Oh, also in Walmart, check out, you know, like my Walmart, I don't know about yours, has a aisle devoted to clearance items. You know, they just have stuff that they just put on shelves that just are on clearance. So if yours is like that, check it out. And you may be able to find some stuff, okay? So, I'll finish my popcorn. And then we will check out what I picked up. I'm starving, y'all, so forgive me. So, try not to snack on nothing too bad for me. So, I have some popcorn here. I think those are all the stores I wanted to tell you about. But, yeah. Check those out. Okay, so I guess we'll start with Dollar General. Because I only picked up one item from, well, a couple items from Dollar General. I take that back. So, first item, this is from that sale that I was telling you about. These are some little sort of, I won't say mini shelves, but they're just wall shelves. They're on the small side. They were $5. And they're 50% off, so I got them for $2.50. They're plastic, but they mimic wood. And I like that. You have to really look at them to know that they're not wood. And you can, of course, paint them. I mean, for $2.50, that's not bad at all. And I got these because I want them to go in my laundry room. I need to kind of revamp and change some things around in there. And that's how, you know, you can hang them. That's just a suggestion or whatever. But for the price, I thought they were nice. And I'm going to check another one because this particular Dollar General only had that one. And I could actually use 4. So I grabbed that. And I know I got something else from Dollar General. And I got to find it. Okay, here it is. They have now their candy from Valentine's Day, 90% off, and then the decor is 75 or 70. But anyway, I found this wood love sign, and I paid 63 cents for this. So I got this on clearance. It was regularly $2. So I picked that up just to have. I mean, you can use it beyond Valentine's Day, in my opinion. And it can be painted to whatever, you know, color or finish that you want to do. You know, everybody's in the farmhouse, so that would be a good farmhouse project or whatever. So yeah, that is my little Dollar General purchase. Then we'll go into, I guess, Dollar Tree, because you know I had to go up in there. Okay, first thing, of course, now that Valentine's Day is over, I got this. I got a wooden heart. Not sure what I'll do with it, but again, cheap, so I got it. Then I picked up these candles. I finally found these. I've been seeing people haul these, but excuse me, but my store didn't have them. And then I went in, oh gosh, about a week or so ago, and they only had a couple, so I grabbed them. But it's these candles, these little pillar candles that have the little silver sort of tufted texture to them, and hopefully my camera will zoom in, but I'm sure y'all have seen, there we go, I'm sure y'all have seen these, and I think these are so pretty for Dollar Tree candles, and I'm glad I looked up and got some. So I got a couple of those, and then I finally found the pearls. I didn't find the small pearls, I did find the big ones, so I got a couple packs of those to have on hand. Not sure what I'll do with them yet, but I think they're really pretty just to have in the craft stash. So got 2 packs of those. Still looking for the small ones. So that came from Dollar Tree. And went in to see what Easter stuff they had, and this particular Dollar Tree was ransacked, and I was surprised because that's my go-to Dollar Tree. But I did look up and get what I wanted, which were these decorative Easter eggs. So I got all that they had left, which was 3 packs of these. So I'm glad that I got in there when I did. So I got 3 packs of these. I was looking for some of those signs that y'all are hauling, but they just had the little bunny, you know, the 3 bunnies with the little cotton ball tails. And I like the bunnies, but I mean, I want something a little more, I guess, sophisticated looking. And I'm loving the signs that y'all are hauling, but I didn't see the ones that I was looking for. So I'm going to try another Dollar Tree maybe this weekend. Okay, let's see. Making sure that's all of Dollar Tree. Yeah, so now we're going to move on to, who is this? Michael's? Yeah, Michael's. Okay, just a couple items from Michael's clearance. Down there, clearance aisle, they had these planner accessories. These are stamps. And they're just little, you know, theme stamps. They were, I want to say there was a percentage off of the clearance when I got these. And I can't remember what they were. But anyway, they were clearance from $9.99 to $3.49. So I got this particular one here. And I don't know if it's going to zoom in like it should. My camera's kind of tricky. But anyway, it's just little stickers, you know, for like meal planning and things like that. Or it's not stickers, stamps for like meal planning. Because I have a meal planner that I work in, or I started at the beginning of the year just for me. Because I'm usually cooking for myself and I'm trying to stay on my little diet plan or whatever. And it's just fun. It makes it more of an experience and keeps me on track to make it interesting, I guess. So yeah, I got that, and I'm not sure if y'all can see that. I'm so sorry, but my camera's being a little tricky. But it has little spoons and little different things that are fun just to work with, pots and all that stuff to put in my little meal planner. Okay, then I got this one. This is just sort of girly. Well, I wouldn't say girly. It's more adult girly. If that makes sense. No, that doesn't make sense. It's not adult girly. It's adult, womanly. But it has like a little mani-pedi stamp. Let's see. Shopping, game night, you know, for girls. Brunch is always a good idea. Things like that. Book club, you know, for us ladies to do. So I thought this one was a nice one as well. And it again was $3.99 with you know, that it was $9.99. No, this one was $5 and it went down to $2.99. And I really want to say I got it cheaper than that, but I can't remember. But that's what it looks like. And hopefully y'all can see. some of the stamps here. And I already have the acrylic blocks that these are attached to. And then they actually have these little stencils right here behind them. And I didn't show you the stencils on this one. And then it has a little rolling. I think that's adorable. But yeah. So really nice from Michaels. And then I picked up this bling sticker sheet, which looks like this. Okay, so that is from Michaels. Okay, finally we're gonna be moving into Walmart. First thing from Walmart, I found 2 of these beautiful Better Homes and Gardens candle sets. Now these were the find of the day, honey. I got 2. They actually had a smaller pack, but I didn't get those. But these are beautiful. They have the gold band around the bottom, and they also have a remote control, and they're in the, you know, the 3-tier combination there. I got 2 sets of these. These were $2.49 on clearance. So you know I had to grab 2 of those. So these are going to be so pretty in my spring decor, because I'm thinking in my dining room I want to use these. But I love this. $2.99 or it was a $2.99 or $2.50. It was one, and I don't have my receipt to tell you, but it was less than $3. Definitely less than $3. So again, I got 2 of these, and then they had the tea lights to go along with these, but I didn't need any because I have a bunch from Dollar Tree. But I mean, to get remote control candles for that price, yeah. So 2 of those. Now let's move into the little makeup and polish that I picked up. They had some of the L'Oreal Infallible lipsticks and eyeliners on clearance. I only got 1 eyeliner because I have a lot of eyeliners and I didn't need a whole lot. But I wanted to try this because it's a liquid eyeliner, but it's in a pen form. And I got this color called Intrepid Teal. And it's the Infallible Paints liquid eyeliner. They had some colors, some really pretty ones, but they weren't for me. So I just grabbed this one because I do wear a lot of blues. So I got that. And this was $1. Yep, it was $1. Because I remember asking the girl to scan it for me, and it was $1. So I got this one. So can't wait to use that. And in the lip paints, of course, you know, I'm a lipstick junkie. These are also the Infallible lip paints. So I got this color, which is Orange Envy. And I was thinking about spring and summer with this one. So it's really pretty. Then I got this one in Domineering Teal. And finally, I got one in Cool Coral. So, you know I want to swatch these for you. So, oh my God, they're pretty too. So this is Orange Envy, which is this one. Isn't that pretty? Oh, gorgeous color. There we go. Look at that. $1. I got it for $1. Then this one will be Coral. Cool Coral. These are going to be really pretty for spring and summer. Oh, that's a pretty orange. Or pretty coral. And there it is. Go ahead and focus for me. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? And then finally, we have our Domineering Teal. And I want to try some blue lippies. I see a lot of ladies wearing them, and I think, wearing some really pretty shades of blue and teals. So I said, for $1, I'll try it. And it's really pretty. And there it is. Look at that color. Oh gosh, that's so pretty. So I got those for $1. Now, let me show you some other goodies. I found 5 Essie polishes that were on sale for $1. And Essie's really good. I'm going to shake them up, make sure everything's good. So the first color I got is called Kimono Over. Kimono Over. So I guess it's a play on the Kimono Over. But isn't that a pretty color? And these are Essie polishes. You know, they're, you know, I guess that I've seen them between $8 and $10 maybe. So that's a really pretty purpley color. It's kind of coming off brown on my camera, but it's a really pretty purple color. Then the next one is this pretty sort of neutral color. It's called Saint Tropez, and it looks like this. I love this on my toes, things like this, or colors like this. I think is beautiful. But yeah, got that one. And then I got another one. This one's called Tuck It in My Tux. I don't know where they got that name from, but it's a pretty white. So it's just gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Really, really pretty. Alright. And I got this pretty teal color. And this one's called Naughty Nautical. Oh, it's really pretty. Pretty. Nice. I can't wait to wear these for the spring. And finally, I got this one, which is called Big Splendor. And it's sort of a rosy pink color. Nice, bright, fun color for spring. Gorgeous. Isn't that pretty? So I grabbed those, and then I got this Essie finisher. It's the drying drops. I guess it helps your polish dry quicker. And this was $1 too. So I really lucked out with the polish. This is like really nice. So yeah, it's a finisher. So can't wait to try this out and see how it works. Alright, so that is my haul. It's a little long, but hey, it is what it is. So, I'm gonna, if you want to see, I guess, me doing my nails or whatever, because I stopped going to the salon, just kind of wanted to give myself a break from, you know, the gel polish and the acrylic and all that stuff, you know, the drilling and all that crap. So I'm doing my own here for a while. So if you want to see a polish video or something, let me know down below. Yeah, and I actually have a pie video, because I remember I asked y'all about me doing the pie video with the peaches that I got from Dollar Tree. That's coming. I just haven't uploaded it yet, or, you know, posted it yet. But yeah, if you want to see that, let me know about the polish. Hope you enjoyed the haul, my long haul here. But check out those places. Dillard's again, 40% off the clearance starting today, going through Sunday. Dollar General has 50% off certain colored dot items that they have. If you shop there frequently, you know what I'm talking about. And Walmart has a lot of stuff on clearance, especially if you're a makeup junkie like me, cosmetics junkie. They have a lot of nice stuff on clearance, as well as home decor. They had a lot more stuff besides these candles, but I didn't need anything else, but I like candles, so yeah. That's why I got that. So yeah, check those places out, and I try to keep you informed. You know, if I come across something else, I will let you guys know. So that's gonna do it for this video, and until my next one, I will see y'all then. Bye.